Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to get a TradingView widget inside Notion in 2026. Now guys, if you are looking for the huge discount of the year on the TradingView premium subscriptions, look no further because now only 3 days left for this particular Black Friday sale in which you are going to get all of the TradingView premium subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. So if you are interested in this deal, make sure you check out the link in the description. Now without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for tradingview.com. Here, first of all, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Then hover over to the more section. Then hover to the for business. Here you will see the option of all widgets in the widgets section. Now once you are here on the widgets, you just have to look for that particular widget which you want to basically add in your Notion account. So here, let's say I want to add the mini chart. So after clicking on it, it is going to look something like this. Over here, you can see we have the symbol of Apple here, but if you want to change it, you can just simply select any other. Then all of the changes that you make here will be reflected here in your HTML code. So make sure that you do the changes first, and after that simply just copy this code from here. Now in order to embed this code here in Notion, you will have to first of all convert this particular HTML file or this HTML code into the URL. So what you can do is you can simply save this particular code as HTML. After that, you can come here on this website which is called pages.edgone.ai. So you just have to upload that file over here and click on the option of start deploying. Now once you do this, it is going to take some time in order to convert your code into the link. So you need to simply wait. Then when it is going to generate the link for you, which is going to look something like this, you just have to first of all open it in a new tab. After that, from the URL on the top, you just have to copy it. Then come here in your Notion account, then use the option of embed. Over here, you just have to paste the link which you have just copied, then click on the option of embed link. Now it is going to take some time and it is going to basically embed the TradingView chart here in your Notion account, as you can see over here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you have any questions, and you can just leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.